the signature of handsome mechanic. So when we release the car to you, you don't see any dust there. Water is filled, coolant is at the level, but it is your responsibility to regularly check whether that coolant is low or not.
Yes.
If you find any leak underneath,
I didn't find any.
in the future,
Okay.
you have to let us know. Okay, some customer, they knew something wrong in the car, they keep driving it, and then when it's late, they will tell, when it's too late, they will tell the mechanic. They try to blame the mechanic. Oh, we took it to you. I paid 2,700. Why this car only 1 week it's broken? You know what I mean? So the responsibility is a shared responsibilities. We did our best. Okay, no leak, and so we made sure that all good. This one is worn out, but this is only a ducting. Okay, if
How
you
much for a new one?
this one, I don't know, more or less $100. It's okay, but this doesn't pose any threat. So you tell us next time, we will replace it. Okay.